Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be taking you guys around Ikeja, Nigeria. Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. I'm going to be showing you guys what Ikeja looks like and the construction of the bridge, because they are constructing a bridge. Please stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. Welcome to this beautiful family. So this is the current state of the Ikeja bridge. It's still under construction, and this bridge started last year, middle of last year, and this is how far they've gone. This is how far they've gone. From afar you can see construction is still taking place. It's a busy road regardless. It's a busy road. Guys, Lagos, Nigeria is full of different things. Like this man in my front now, take a look at him. Let me go close to him. He's brushing on the road. This is Lagos, Nigeria. He's brushing his teeth on the road. Let me go close. Look at him looking at a lady. The man in my front, look at him with his toothbrush. He's brushing his teeth. What are we not going to see in this Lagos, Nigeria? How can somebody be brushing teeth on the road? Look at him. So guys, this is construction taking place. You can see somebody is walking up there. So this is the current state. This is the back of the bridge. As you can see, there's a railway here, and the construction is still taking place. Thank you very much. Okay, let me take your leaflet. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Okay, so this is the state of the bridge. Workers are still working down there. I don't know if we're allowed to go there anyway, but workers are still working. I'll try to get someone to talk to me. I'll try. I don't know if I'll get someone, but I'll try to get someone to talk to me. So this is Ikeja bridge. This is from the inside. So you can see this bridge is from here. I think they'll make it connecting to this side, but I'll get someone to talk to me. My friend, please excuse me. Okay. This construction has been on. Can you tell me? Since last year. So what are they constructing? Is it railway?
Yeah.
Railway station. Okay, what about this bridge? Where is it going to connect? It's coming from Ikeja.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other side, the other place.
That's down.
Yeah, and this one goes straight.
Okay.
That's
Along. But the bridge stopped there. Will it continue like this?
This is slope that ends.
Okay.
Then the other side.
Okay, so that means there will be road in this place. Where this road where will it go to? Is it Oshodi?
Yeah.
The other side, it will still be working.
Yeah.
This side too will join it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, so now it's going to be double lane when they finish. Okay, I think maybe it's just to reduce the hold up, Abi. Okay. We'll be trained, but we can't train. Sure, there will not be mistake. Fence, okay. Fence. Okay. I'm just taking a video of everything. I'm a blogger, So I'm taking a video of everything. I'm an online person, you get, so to tell my viewers what is happening in Ikeja and how long it will take for the construction to be over. So I have a lot of followers on YouTube who will be watching this thing. So that's what I came out to do today.
But the duration, I can't exactly tell you the duration.
The duration. But now don't start since last year. Now suppose don't finish now.
No. It's supposed to be. As you can see, this is the ending of the building.
Okay.
So they are preparing for the roof. Already.
So roof go still there.
Yes. Just to the roof.
But this one now, will they come out this CECC when they finish?
So this is just to demarcate the site.
Okay. And the road. Okay. But this thing, when are they going to finish this thing? It be like say road still far.
I will tell you that.
Eh.
As you can see, never started. And block was still there.
Okay. Now they try. Okay.
Inside said, never even do anything like this.
Okay, lift go still there. Nah, serious. So.
Don't building like this. You only carry
Step.
It's only possible because some people are not there, they cannot be capable of climbing the stairs.
Climbing step, yes. Okay, that's good. Because me, I used to wonder when it will be completed. But from estimates, when do you think it can be completed? Next year. Next 2 years. Next 2 years. Ah!
And there's a lot of work inside.
It's true, there's a lot of work. All right, thank you for talking to me. I appreciate your time. My name is Victoria. Bye-bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
This is the other part of the bridge, and this part of it goes straight down to Allen. Look at it. It goes straight down to Allen Avenue inside Ikeja. So you see, so the bridge goes inside and inside and inside. I tell my friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Say, subscribe to Victoria Idoko's YouTube channel. Oya, talk am. Oya, talk am. Talk am. Talk am. Yeah. Guys, remember that other part of the bridge I showed you guys from that place? Look at it. This is where the bridge is going to. So this is inside Ikeja. I can see somebody is up, so construction is going on seriously. So guys, this is the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. As usual, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small,
Share this video.
way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have